Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Yes, life is a mission, family. I never get to do no intro. I just for that video here I want to go see. So me I do a little intro now. Because basically the whole Christmas, not Christmas, New Year's Eve and thing, ringing in the New Year, you know, as you see the church video, which is after me do most of them clipping it on the night of the New Year's Eve, you know. So me just do a little intro, you know, I get a little mixture right here now of, you know, the whole New Year's setup, you know, New Year's Eve setup into the New Year, what take place, my ear wash, my ear comb. You know, I pick some ackee for a subscriber, and you know, I'm gonna cook some fish and roast some fish, couple fish and roast fish and shrimp. Fire roast fish and shrimp. You understand? Some fire roast fish and shrimp, you know. The fish them they supposed to roast on open fire, but the fish lady she never hear when me say don't scale the fish, because normally when you do open fire roast fish, where you just put the fish on the open fire on the zinc or whatever grill, you know, scale it, because the scale protect the flesh of the fish. If you put the fish on the grill, the open fire with the bare meat, it are gonna get burned and it don't make no sense. So me end up having fire roast them, and fire roast with shrimp and pumpkin. So just stay tuned. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, which is this channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, TikTok, remember, favorited. Alright, so just continue. And you see, anybody who have a problem with me for 2025 on any one of my channel, here what I do.
Those who have an issue, leave!
One more year pandemic. So yes, my people, it's a day, you know, when we get one day older by numbers, but we get younger by looks. 50 ad and going up. And we'll always hear the ad, because we're not gonna relieve. We're not gonna reveal the ad, but it's 50 ad. And I don't know a long time I say 50 ad. So I know 51. So almost more than that. Because if I did 51, a long time I say 50 ad. Not just this year or last year. So you know say I'm more than that. So anyway, today we are going to the kitchen. We are start the ball. As a matter of fact, as you see at the top of the video, we start the ball rolling where 12 o'clock last night to make sure bust a bottle of champagne, despite me is not a drinker. And we just take a little sip out of it, because so it going on. Occasions we do a little thing, you know, but we are not that alcoholic or smoker. We don't smoke and we don't drink alcohol. Overall, we don't really get up like and, you know, consume alcohol. Occasionally we take a little beat at it, but not regular. So today we are going to the kitchen and we are cook some curry shrimp and white rice and steam bammy. So basically we are going to steam the bammy in the curry shrimp while it's cooking down and stuff. So we're not going to see the whole little birthday settings. And I'm not big, you know. We just cook some food for myself, and one or two somebody pass by and I'm going to see if cripple out there and get cripple get little at the dinner. Because people may not see cripple from the New Year, you know. Me not see cripple from New Year. So I'm going to circle him in the day. I'm circle him. I know my fault, I'm going to see him. So I'm going to circle him in the day, yeah. And see if I see him so I can get the curry shrimp. See him where? And you don't know. I don't know big settings we are doing. Our regular home cooking, we are cook our yard for ourselves. and if somebody stop by. You understand? Because I tell you, I'm not a fussy youth. I just do my thing as how I feel, as how I get up on the day to do it. So we are going to the kitchen, you know, as I say, some curry shrimp. In me never want a coconut milk in the curry shrimp. I just want straight. As well, I might put my curry, make me coconut milk. I don't know, I love my coconut. So some curry shrimp and white rice with steam bammy. So just stay tuned for that, and later on you see the little activity if there's any. Alright? So stay tuned. So as you can see, people, shrimp well seasoned up from last night, overnight. Yeah, man. Over here so now, we not dealing no authentic coconut milk today. We have got some Maggi coconut milk. See the bammy here. And we are going to kind of twist the curry shrimp in our way. Where I always hear me say, sometimes when you have a little piece of this, a little piece of that left back in the fridge, you can use it and twist it to make a meal or make up a meal. Well, in this case, it's not making up a meal, but just trying to twist the meal, which is the curry shrimp. So I'm going to use these little piece of Irish. I have them left over from sometime in the week where I do some file roast fish. When we see a video of that, I was supposed to see a video of that when you not see that video, yeah, that video they drop already because it upload. I just release, but I can release it before I release this. And I have some Irish right here, right? Yeah, so I'm a scallion, my thyme, my onion, and my pepper. So you know, say a curry, so a tomato and them something that go in there. Just your seasoning, or your season up, your powder seasoning, and just look a scallion and thyme. You can cut a little one onion and your pepper. So I'm stay tuned for see it. Curry shrimp with my Irish and pumpkin, steam bammy, and white rice. It's the birthday day. Alright. As I said, that video there, I do some fire roast fish up in the week and stuff. And picking up Aki and something for subscriber. So I'm supposed to see that video already, as I said, and I like this I come out before. So the pumpkin did too much, so I just left this and say I can twist this in a something another day, and then I did have this in mind. So I say I gotta just drop this in it and twist the taste of the curry shrimp. So on stay tuned. Curry shrimp, steam bammy, and white rice. I'm gonna see how I do the bammy count. Someone might have said steam bammy. Yeah, I'm gonna see how that go. Alright? So see the pattern now. I'm gonna wash the rice and put in. So my people, the rice done wash. I'm gonna fetch the water now. Put it on and cut 2 of the bammy. And this is one of the bammy. I cut 2. So I cut it in 4 pieces. So I have 8 pieces. And it is here in the coconut milk I'm going to soak. Despite it's not fried or fried, yeah, but you still kind of soak it to get a little taste. So despite it have a steam, yeah, I catch too much water there, so people. Despite it have a steam in the curry itself, yeah, I still kind of soak it in some coconut milk. I remember when I tell you about the rice, when you know how to wash rice. Make sure you can wash out as much as the as much. When you can wash the rice to get rid of as much starch from out of the rice. Because we don't want so much starch in our system. Alright? Yeah. And you don't know. You just wash the rice. You wash the rice till you never get the water as clear as crystal, but as clear as possible. Get out as much starch. You don't know, I always preach that tune when it comes out to rice. Alright? So, I'm going to go ahead now and salt the pot. Put in a little piece of butter. Remember now, this is not something supposed to take too long. You have to say from the rice done already, food have already. Because I'm going to put on the pot now. And as you know, I cook shrimp. Yeah, and I like shrimp where I come from the raw stage. So all you need to do is cook out the seasoning and put in it and stuff. So, like what curry me ever use, and a hard meat, what me have to do is burn the curry first. Because it's not hard meat where the curry can have time to cook out. So, I have to burn the curry in the pot. That's the only way I burn curry when I cook meat with curry. like to a cook shrimp. But then for chicken or any other thing, curry goat, I don't need to burn curry. That not stop curry from your belly. So if you have patience and cook out the curry properly, it can't run your belly. So the burning not really have to, but people just practicing burning curry because them tell themselves are the best way. So I put in a piece of butter now in my pot. Just a little piece I'm going to cut off from the fish. Put another half stick. And all these I'm telling about the 4-side butter. Well, they never have none of the shop. This is the original one. The original one come like this. Right. And then normally you cut it in a 2 or cut off where you want. Now they make it easier for you. They make a different company make 4-side. So instead you get 2 stick in the box. Alright, this is the box, the regular one. 2 stick. Yeah. And this you get 4 piece. So this cut in a 2. The 2 of this cut in a 2, so you get 4 piece in this brand. Right. So them already measure it for you if you not have a knife. I must that. Anyway, that is that. So we have a cover pot now. Alright, so stay tuned. Curry shrimp, coconut milk, pumpkin and Irish, and steam bammy. Stay tuned for all of this. Life is a Mission TV. Today it's the birthday, little eatings, you know. Wow. No gathering, you know, people. It's not about gathering. But we just classify it as the birthday cooking today. Yeah, but it's not a gathering. It's just regular cooking. And if somebody stop by, them can get some. Alright. Alright, my people. So I'm going to put the curry in the pot here now. Yeah. Watch this. Curry in the pot. And remember now, people, you can't make the curry burn too much. Don't burn up the curry. You don't need to burn up the curry, people. Understand? If you burn up the curry, it has to get bitter. The curry is going to be bitter. So when you put in the meat has becomes bitter. Alright? Alright, so here now I have some seasoning cut up here, some scallion, as me say, pepper, onion, garlic. The Irish is right here. Around here you have the pumpkin. So this is scallion, pepper, Irish, pumpkin, onion and garlic. So I'm going to put this in the pot now. And thyme. We got to tell them about the thyme. So you kind of continue stir fry it a little bit. So you can get the flavor out of the thyme and the scallion and the onion and the pepper. But when you eat, take the flavor from the seasoning. It is better than if you throw this one bag of water in there. Yeah. You want to naturally get the flavor from it. So the little oil you put on the pot at the curry, you try to use that and stir fry. So you stir fry that, right? So the curry that they start stir fry now, it sweat a little bit of water, which that little bit of water is just enough Then now you're gonna put in your shrimp. Make your shrimp also stir fry also. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna put in the shrimp now. So you don't know, we are getting the shrimp so we can get the seasoning off of the shrimp, which is the Maggi seasoning that we have used. Yeah, so we get that in. And we stir this also. Remember the water not gone in this yet, and the coconut milk in up. It's just all the seasoning, the Irish and the pumpkin and the curry. So we have to allow this to sweat a little bit of water. Yeah, we have to allow it to sweat a little bit of water. So, turn up back the stove. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now in the pot. Yeah. So let's show you what it looks like now in the pot. So see it? That's the look of it now. In a few minutes, like a minute or so, let's see what type of water it sweat. If that can go on, you know, steam or tenderize some more the Irish, the pumpkin and the shrimp. Alright, and here we have it. Rice. Whoa! Now try go and let me tough like me an iron. Alright, and I use my beer and I lift up the hot pot cover. So that is it for now. Alright, I'm going to add some coconut milk now to it. Yeah. And we're using the same coconut milk that we use to soak the bammy. Alright, we're not going to add the bammy yet because we don't want the bammy to be too soft. You understand? We don't want the bammy too soft. So we're not going to add the bammy as yet. The bammy is going to add like probably in the next, like not in the next, but like 5 minutes before it simmer down properly to how we want it. Alright, basically by the Irish tenderize, we put in the bammy. Yeah, by the Irish tenderize, we're going to put in the bammy. So by the time it simmer down now, you know say we're good to go. So we just wait for the Irish to simmer down and get tenderized. Then we add in the bammy. So we simmer down the gravy. So stay tuned. I remember I tell you say Better Pack are one of the best curry you have. Yeah man. Nice curry. Nice curry. Anyway, we're gonna put in the bammy them now. The rice step on the fire, this is steam. So now we're going to put in the bammy. Just take them out like this. Turn on the flash on the camera. Get a little more quality. Yeah, so now see me. Alright. So I'll put in the bammy right on top. So now I get the bammy now right on top of you put it right on top of the shrimp. Yeah. You just make them steam. That's how you call it, steam bammy. But I feel like say you lock it up in a pot and steam it like fish. You just rest it on whatever meat kind. And that's it. Then now, you just step up the gravy you throw up on top. So remember now, you know, we don't want the bammy to too soft out. When you have to take it out of the pot, it will mash out. The bammy have that. Well, yeah, people might like it that way, you know, when it's soft, but many people don't like when it's soft. But honestly, me myself, I like when it's too soft. I just like when it's steamed to a certain level. And after steam to a certain level, yeah. So when you can just take it up and bite into it. So I like it. I don't like when it mash out. You take it up and it block with. Alright, so I'm going to show you how it looks in the pot. So within another 2 minutes or so, stove can lock off there so. I just wait on the rice. Let me show you where I go on in my pot. Now that the bammy in there and thing. That is it. And no boat nor ship nor yacht is it. That is it. Yeah man, just a simmer down here now. And then you don't know. Alright, we just stir up the rice, it finish steam. So this is curry shrimp in coconut milk, pumpkin, Irish, and steamed bammy with white rice. Yeah man, the birthday boy in the kitchen. Life is a mission. TV! What you don't know they do. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Alright? Support the channel. Help the channel to grow. Grow with the channel. Don't wait till it grow. You jump and turn a bag wagon. Alright? Stay tuned. Some people, before I share any food for cripple, I go up there go look at me see him. As I tell you, I see him from the year start. From me they go and look for him and I tell him he kind of look well to me. Anyway, I go back and him alright, him dead there. And the following day I see him. From that I not see him back. So I go look at him up there now before I carry the food go give him. Me make the 2 trip, but I can't bother to go share out the food and then, you know? So I make the 2 trip and go look. Well people, see tell me there a cripple spot, none of them him not there. Over there so, right there so, over there so, and behind the truck there so, him not there so. I don't know. Well, I know somebody where live near him. I want yard, somebody tell me the yard where him living at. I go just call the person and ask her if she can make a check for me and make me know what is what. But me now go just pull up on him yard. Me know the yard, but me now go just pull up at the yard. If when me hear whatever circumstances and I can pull up, then we will pull up. But me not just go and pull up at the yard. I go show you. You know, so I should drive there, so I go drive there and see. Alright, see that yard, the straight ahead one I look on. With the black and white gate. Yeah, you see over there so I live. Where you see that mango tree there. Yeah, right there so. But me not go over there, 59. But me not going over there, people. I go beg the lady check for me. So people, see it on the feel like to a birthday. I go do that pretty boy something there. Sit down on table and glass plate and wait. See him speak in my cup. See him regular plate. I tell him he's not a fussy boy. So that's my birthday. And probably I'm going to just come to bed later, same way. As well as I can put on little clothes and probably run go somewhere. You know, like long time I go to the casino and stuff. I might go up at the casino. Go sit down a little bit. You know? Yeah. And not saying me I go to do no Bugga gambling, you know, because when you go to them place there, you have to go to those places. It's like an enjoyment, you know. Remember, you know, it's a gaming launch, but it's fun. But it's just that the fun, you can get paid for the fun and you can lose. But when you lose, you might still have some fun. You understand? Yes, so, you know, just go sit down in a different environment. Because when you go to them place there, you mix with all kind of different people. Rich, poor, everybody. So, that is it. So your steam bammy look like. You don't need me to tell you about what I'm going. When you don't know what I'm going. This is a regular something. The only thing you might never see me do are the steam bammy. So when you might ask for in the cup, and I speak with my cup, some sorrel in my cup. I know watch out and speak with mine there so, but look around here so. Alright. Oh. People. Me now go back and look for cripple for the rest of the day. But me I gonna make the call and find out if the lady can go check for him and or send him son go check if I sick him sick or what. And then in the next video we will know whether upon the main channel or upon the channel I will tell you what I go on with cripple. You understand? But as I say, I don't see him from the new year. So I'm just going to stay tuned. Later on, I'm not going to really close after the video. Yeah, so later when I beard and thing, if I beard and put on the clothes, I'm going to make you get a little glimpse of me. Alright? So I'm going to stay tuned till them time there. If not, you see me back on you know the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch the ads and continue to support the channel. Run go over TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and favorited Life is a Mission TV. When you don't hear the plan from the last video, I tell you I have a little plan for this month, where sometime this month or early February, where me keep a little weekend party like on live. We play some music, you know. Some of my people them have like a stress, some of the people them want like a relaxation. We know someone living in some part of the country, whether US, England or Canada, where only them get enough time to have enough fun and enjoyment. So we will keep up our own party pan live. Play some like 90s old hits, 90s dancehall, souls, cause 90s me say, you know. You understand? We're gonna mix up the team because remember we don't only have age-level people over here, we have young people over here too. You understand? But you don't know how things stay with respect and balance. So when you don't know, when you stay tuned and go follow me on TikTok to get involved in that. I go choose a day, but you know, say it got me like, you know, the after 10 bells. Whichever day after 10, when me free up and have time, I know say boy, I'm in my house. You understand? Just like when me used to keep me life them, I would do even 1 hour worth of entertainment playing some music and stuff. Alright? So bless up until then. If you don't see me back, you know, I'm going to try to close off the video with a little piece of when me fresh up and thing if me are going away. Alright.